The human mind is a mystical and mysterious thing. Hello, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Hope you are doing good regardless of the circumstances. In today's fast-paced society, it's so easy to get lost into a routine and let our minds and body go on autopilot. But did you know that just like our bodies, our minds also need exercise to stay young and alert? The human brain is a complex organ capable of incredible accomplishments of analysis, creativity, and problem resolving. But in order to keep it in shape, we must give it new challenges to tackle. Taking part in new activities and learning new things stimulates the brain and keeps it active, just like exercising any muscles in your body. When we challenge our minds with innovative experiences, we create new neural lane and strengthen existing ones, keeping our brain flexible and adaptable, open to new incoming knowledge. Research has shown that when we engage in activities that requires us to think critically, problem solve, or learn something new, our brain releases neurochemicals that promotes cognitive function and improves brain health. It's never too late to start challenging and exercising your mind in exploratory ways. Just like any muscles in your body, the more you use it, the stronger and more in shape it becomes. From the research that I have done, keeping our minds active also has cognitive benefits as we age. Studies have also shown that engaging in intellectually stimulating activities can help prevent cognitive decline and reduce the risk of developing conditions such as dementia. So, whether it's picking up a new book, learning a new skill, or exploring new avenues, remember that the mind stays young and alert when it's given new stimulation to analyze and think about. So, go ahead and challenge your mind. Keep it active, and the end result will be that you'll never be bored. You must welcome the joy of lifelong learning and exploration and keep your mind sharp for years to come. Remember, the mind is also a muscle, and exercise is the key to keeping it young and sharp. So go out there and keep your mind fit and active. Are you ready to keep your mind young and alert? Visit freedomlifebusiness.com and explore a world of opportunities to challenge your mind. Learn new skills and embrace the joy of lifelong learning. From online courses to business ventures, Freedom Life Business offers a wide range of resources to help you exercise your mind and keep it sharp. Don't let boredom dull your mental faculties. Take action now and start your journey towards a vibrant, active mind. Always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.